Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about a break. So before learning the break statement, we already know how to use a for loop and while loop. Also we know how to use a if and else statement, which all we're going to use in this video. So what is difference? While we are printing 1 to 10, we don't want whole 1 to 10 number. However, as soon as it reach to the number 7, we're going to break our loop. And we don't want to print 8, 9 and 10, so it will only print 1 to 7. How are we going to do that? So let's get start in this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So now I'm going to start. So my class name is break, which I already create. So I'm going to add a one method, br brace. I'm going to use a for loop. Int I equal to 0, so 1. I is less than or equal to 10. I plus plus. System dot out dot println I. And before I start if else statement, I'm going to try like whether I did right or wrong. So I'm going to print. So I'm going to create an object and let's say everything is working fine or not. Let me so break b equal to new break b dot br and let's run. It's going to print 1 to 10. So as soon as it's going to run 1 to 10, and we're going to start a new thing. Okay, so 1 to 10 is printing. Okay, so I need now if statement. So I would say if my I equal to 7, as soon as it's reached to the 7, then I'm going to do something. What? I'm going to do a break. So I'm going to break my loop as soon as the number will reach over there, and I'm going to take, let's run it. So it's printed 1 to 6. If we want to include number 7, then as soon as it's reached to the number 8, and we're going to run our loop. Come on, print. Okay, and that's a 1 to 7. How are we going to do that in a while loop? So we're going to do so same thing. Let me comment out for loop. Okay, int I equal to 1 while I is less than or equal to 10. Come on. Okay. And now I'm going to say if I equal 8 I plus plus break, and I need to print, right? So I'm going to take and I plus plus. Okay, so I'm going to save and I'm going to run. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If we need to break after 5, then we're going to say 6. As soon as it's hit that number 6, it's going to break, so it will print until 5, and I'm going to run. There you go. So that's how we're going to do, and next video we're going to see the continue statement. So I hope you liking my video. Please share and subscribe, and we will meet you in a next video. Bye bye.